I know they see me when I'm in public. Nothing like Bieber, but I'm adjusting. All I can see is the comments coming.
Hey, how you doing, Steves? My name's Chris. I'm heading from Kansas City, Missouri to go catch Mike at the Mission Ballroom. It's only like an 8-hour drive. I'm gonna meet my buddy Hatchet there, but he called me yesterday and he's sick, so we're gonna see if I actually have to pick him up at the airport tomorrow or not.
Mad at all, cause if they mad at me, that's how it had to be, and I just be killing shit everywhere. They don't have to let.
Either way, got a fun weekend planned, so we're hitting Mike, Mission Ballroom at Friday night. Saturday, we're gonna go into the mountains. My buddy Brady, who lives in Denver, is gonna be our tour guide, taking us everywhere. We're gonna try to hit Rocky Mountain National Park. Then I'm also gonna be shooting some content for this company called The Landmark Project, who makes these dope hoodies and t-shirts for national parks. So I figured, let's just have a heck of a weekend, get a little vacation in, go travel, connect with nature, and catch Papa Steve at the Mission Ballroom. So let's go.
Murder what she wrote, this is what she wanted. Yeah. Miss me with that book, miss me with that drama. And I don't really care less about the commas. I'm talking money talk. Yeah, Hail Mary vibes and we're going long.
Seriously though, when you think about it, like I get paid a lot of money to travel the world, push a red button, share my perspective, and click a mouse. Like it's that simple when you break it down, and it almost comes off as like opportunistic in my mind sometimes, but it's also like, dude, it's what I love to do. Like I love to go places, I love to see dope stuff, and I love to share my knowledge and wisdom and advice of my experience with other people behind me who want to have those same experiences. But my goal is to keep them from hitting the same icebergs. So after that hike, I'm feeling pretty confident. I think I'm gonna do
Try again.
So after that hike, I'm feeling pretty confident. A big part of me was like, let's just hit Everest next. So I think we're going to Nepal in a couple weeks. So we'll see what happens.
We might start at Pikes Peak. It's a little closer.
This is nerve-wracking. Whoa, you got a big deal.
Well, kids, it's literally only uphill from here.
Oh, yeah, I closed my eyes down there for like 5 minutes. It was fucking heaven when I opened them. This is gonna be terrible. I am not in mountain shape. I'm in white boy city slicker shape. That was so good till I lose my breath. Then I feel like a baby giraffe. But wherever you're going, you have to become that person before you get it. And any challenges that come your way is the universe helping you become that person. Your soul calls in these problems and these issues so that you can become that person. And when you become that person, you're gonna want to become somebody else. That's just part of the process. And then you pick a new target and you keep going. And it's kind of like just scaling a mountain. Like in business, after 1 year, you'll be here. After 2 years, you'll be like, man, I got this shit figured out. And then you're looking at a whole new mountain that's twice the size of the first two, and you're like, what the shit? And your skills that you learn don't work on the new mountain. You have to stack new skills to continue to climb the mountain. It's kind of like Everest, right? Just a little tidbit for anybody who's been looking to start a business, been interested in starting businesses, or anybody who wants to, turn their life into a lifestyle, because it's life now and I love it.
People tatting up their skin with every word I write down. Got me like, wow, I guess I'm the one to keep your eye on.
Going somewhere dope today. Let's go.
And now I'm on your TV screen like, hi, Mom. Got Jerry up on TMZ like, hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom. How stable is that footage? Stable like you're on antidepressants, bud.
Swear to God, I'm not high, Mom. Wait.
Oof, didn't too much grass.
Okay, sorry, I lied, Mom. Woo. Then I told my father I'll be going farther, cause my flows are harder than a throw from Rowan Garden.
One of the most valuable things I've ever learned that I continually teach every week in my yoga class is to seek discomfort. Our brains are literally wired to reward us for discomfort. And it's funny because it's like human, it's very American to be like, I want to create this life of comfort. And then when you create it, you get bored, you get depressed, you get lonely, and like your world starts falling apart because your brain's literally like, this is not what I want. It's what we think we want. What we actually want is to expose ourselves to a little bit of discomfort daily. It's really not as cold as Woodside's. It's just the shock. 3 minutes?
I could probably do 3. What are we at? A minute?
90 seconds you'll feel the dopamine hit. Whew. And then I just got cold as fuck again.
Oh, dude, I can feel it in my bones. Oh.
Yeah, my metabolism is kicking in. It's about time to get out.
I'm just sitting here. I'm Wim Hof, bro. I'm gonna sit in here all day.
You look like Wim Hof. I was wondering. This camera
I'm hot, baby. I'm hot. I'm not even cold anymore. I'm on a beach in Mexico. There's a hot senorita bringing me a pina colada. Hey, girl. Come to daddy. We made it. Was that the sickest drone shot you've ever got?
Dude, probably one of the top drone shots I've ever got. That was pretty cool. And the sun came out.
Thank you, son.
And life got crazy. Rolling stone, big blunt road, open road. I ain't worried about much. I know shit is different. Hanging on, baby, cause we living so fast. Tryna break bread with the homies. Got a big head, yeah, you know me. Life's like
Anytime you're stressed, your brain is just trying to recognize the new patterns. And this is why change can be so stressful, because we're breaking that subconscious pattern. It stresses our brains out. It has to identify what the new pattern is, communicate that to your body, and then once they're both in sync, you're not stressed out anymore. So stress is always a good sign that you're changing something, and if you're changing something, you're growing. And if you're growing, you're bettering yourself, and you're becoming closer to the person who you want to be.
and life got crazy. Even if I go to hell, I won't be lonely. If I was sinning with the homies. Yeah. Even if I go to hell, I won't be lonely.
Oh, this one's warmer.
Oh,
man.
how's your ankle gonna make this?
Not great. It's pretty weak, bro.
It's gonna suck when I'm shaking. Oh, I might just pop down right over here. Oh. Already getting the benefits.
Just lay down, right?
Yep. You read my mind. Trying to remember which rock I focused on. All right. Oh. Woo. Yeah. That's cold. I think I have the camera set on this side of the rock.
I'm going in.
Yeah, me too. Here you go. Oh wait, stop the camera.
And that's a wrap. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for future episodes and adventures dropping each Friday at 3 p.m. Up next, we'll be diving deep into our solo mountain escapades. And for those of you asking about this hoodie, I've gone ahead and linked it in the description below along with the Landmark Project's website. And if you're wondering exactly where we went on our mountain days, be sure to check out the future episodes as I'll be sharing the details of how you can plan your own mountain day in Colorado.
Come on, Jack, you can fly.
See you guys on the next episode. Thank you for watching.
Why stop now, baby? Why stop now? PCX driving, I needed some inspiring.